Morning guys, John with Rural Homesteaders here. Today I'm going to be harvesting some sunchokes that I grew in these bags that you see down there on the ground. Sunchoke, kind of like a potato, was used to fight the famine in Europe successfully because they were able to grow these things in a lot weather climate when they had that problem. So this bag is a bag that I had grown some sunchokes in. These bags have a little flap, so we're just going to open the flap up and see what we got here. Oh yeah, look at all those sunchokes. Beautiful, very nice. So this is basically like a potato. You would cook it just like a potato. Kind of has a potatoey, dirty flavor to it, and it's definitely going to be able to store well. But one of the things you want to do is after you've grown them and the tops died off, you want to get into the bag, and you see how we got worms in here. You want to make sure that you get your sunchokes out of the dirt and away from the worms so that they don't end up causing a problem with your sunchokes. These are some beautiful sunchokes. These things are definitely, you can see how they've got little nipples all over them. So I can put this in a nice, cool, dry place over the winter, and I can either drop these back in the ground. I can break these little nubs off one at a time like this. Okay, well I won't break that off, I guess. It's a little harder to break off. So this is definitely tougher than a potato, but you can break that off. If I was using two hands I could, but you're gonna want to break those little nubs off, and then you're gonna end up with all kinds of extra pieces that you're gonna be able to grow out of what you already had. So if you hadn't looked at sunchokes, they also call them Israeli artichoke, I think is the other name for them. But they definitely grow. You can just put them in these bags. These bags are nice because you can open them up and harvest them. So I could have been harvesting these through the year just by opening that flap up. There's another flap on the other side. And you can grow a whole bunch of things like potatoes. You can grow anything that is a legume in these types of bags. And come into the top. See, I've got some at the top as well. But they grow really tall. So you're gonna have to have an area that's gonna be able to take maybe an 8-foot stem sticking up. So these were in my greenhouse and they were hitting the top of my greenhouse and bending. That's how tall they are. Just another thing you might want to throw in your garden for those long times between going to the store. Thanks for watching.